Okay, so we know that matter has three states. We have solid, we have liquid, and we have gas. And in order to change the state of matter, we must change the temperature. So in order to go from a solid to a liquid, we have to change the temperature. Think in terms of an ice cube. If I have an ice cube and I want to change it to water, I have to change the temperature. And in order to change it from a solid to liquid, I actually have to increase the temperature. Okay? Now, if I want to change it from a liquid into a gas, I again must change the temperature. And I must increase it as well. So, as we go from a solid to a liquid to a gas, we increase the temperature. That means we make it higher. Now, let's say we want to go back from a gas to a liquid. Well, in order to go from a gas to a liquid, we have to cool down the gas. And that's similar to our weather unit, where we learned that as water vapor cools, it condenses. And that's what we're doing. We're changing the state from a vapor back to a liquid. So we're actually condensing the gas into liquid form. And in order for that to occur, remember from the water cycle, we have to cool it down. The water vapor goes up into the atmosphere and cools down, and it becomes a liquid again. And that's what we're doing here when we're changing the state from a gas to a liquid. Now, let's think in terms of changing from a liquid to a solid. If we want to make ice, we put the liquid in our ice cube tray, and we put the liquid in the ice cube trays into the freezer because we want it to cool down. So in this case, going from a gas to a liquid and then back to a solid, we actually have to decrease the temperature. We have to make the temperature lower. I'm just going to put temp here. So in order to change the state of matter, we must change the temperature. So in order to change the state, we need to change the temperature.